and the use of blockchain in data management.
Security in Metaverse, security in gaming industry.
When we are supposed to focus on the security aspects of this, the reason I took this particular topic like security in immersive technologies.
You're talking about healthcare Metaverse. This is new to me. So I wanted to explore more
Yeah, sure. So what happens is
like I get the privacy fees and have the avatar built in, but on top of that, what else?
When I say to develop a secure environment in case of metaverse based one, there are the solutions available. Those are not addressing the security concerns of these three components. If I get into these three components specifically, what we came up with, so these were like blockchain technology, then extended reality, and the avatar. And these three are like crucial requirement. And these three things are the key components to develop these, say, metaverse-based healthcare domain. Higher immersion will have, the more realistic feeling we'll have, isn't it?
And this is all going to be built on blockchain, I believe.
There is a huge amount of data flowing in this case. We are providing immersion. That means you can be provided with haptic sensors, like you can have the feelings right away. You can have the say real-time feed of the visuals, and that visual which will be kind of realistic for you, right? So all these things are nothing but the data only, and this huge amount of data flowing in real time requires a huge amount of security.